Hi ladies and gentlemen, it's Mark from Dezignz. Here we got a 20-year-old gate, or some maybe older, but as you can see this gate was completely jaxed. They only red oxided, but I mean it's well over 20 years old. So we had to replace this gate with that. So this is the gate here. 25 by 50 mil rectangle tube, 3 mil thick all the way around. Painted the posts to match, put the screen back on, and runs 100%. Can one of you guys open and close the gate here for me? So yeah, we did this a lot quicker than we thought. So as you can see, opens and closes very nicely, and it's got the brushes at the bottom. Close it. There we go. We even put that back on there, so she's got electric fencing at the top. Right, open it, and then at the bottom here, as you can see, we put the brushes back on at the bottom on both sides. Close it. There's the second brush there. So yeah, all done. Beautiful gate. Thanks guys.